Folklore 2. The Healing Stories in Navajo Sand. Long ago, in the wide deserts and high mesas of the American Southwest, the Navajo people, or Diné, developed a sacred art that was unlike ordinary painting. Known in Navajo as iikááh, meaning place where the gods come and go. These works are often called sand paintings in English. They are not simply pictures to admire, but living parts of ceremonies meant to heal, protect, and restore balance. Created by skilled medicine men, or Hatááli, these images are made on the floor of a hogan, using grains of colored sand, ground minerals, and even pollen. Their beauty lies not only in their design, but also in the belief that they serve as a doorway between the world of humans and the world of the holy people. Sand paintings emerged within the great chantway ceremonies of the Navajo, rituals carefully passed from one generation to another through oral tradition. These ceremonies, lasting days or even weeks, were never performed casually, but only for those who needed healing of the spirit or the body. In these events, the paintings acted as spiritual maps, guiding the holy people to the place of ceremony so they could take away illness and restore harmony. The practice reflects deep Navajo values of balance and interconnectedness, reminding the people that human life is tied to the land, the sky, and the sacred beings who inhabit both. To witness one of these ceremonies was to see a culture's wisdom displayed in grains of sand. The images themselves told stories as old as time. Some paintings showed sacred mountains, each with its own colors and guardians, while others depicted mythic heroes such as Changing Woman and her twin sons, Monster Slayer and Born for Water. One well-known narrative, the Mountain Chant, tells of Diné, who travels into the home of snakes and learns powerful lessons from the spirit world. Within these images, battles against monsters, journeys through mysterious landscapes, and visits from the holy people were all portrayed. Yet the conflict was never just about fighting enemies. It was about restoring order, healing pain, and finding balance once more. By placing the patient at the center of the painting, the ritual united myth and medicine in a single sacred act. Every detail of the sand painting carried meaning. The figures of the holy people acted as spiritual intermediaries. The sacred mountains reminded the Navajo of their cosmic geography, and even the animals, like snakes, symbolized hidden power. The colors were not chosen at random: white sand for dawn and beginnings, black for night and the north, yellow for twilight, red for sunset, and turquoise for life-giving water. By sitting on the completed painting, the patient symbolically joined with the holy people, drawing their energy into themselves. And when the ceremony ended, the entire image was destroyed, for its power could never be reused, and its impermanence reflected the eternal cycle of creation and dissolution. Though ancient in origin, Navajo sand painting remains alive today. Medicine men still use them in healing rituals, while adapted versions appear in the world of art and tourism. Out of respect for tradition, these public versions are intentionally altered, so they do not replicate sacred designs exactly. In the early 20th century, a healer named Hosteen Claw even began weaving sand painting images into textiles, an act that sparked debate, but also preserved their memory in a new form. Today, sand paintings continue to teach values that reach far beyond the Navajo homeland: the importance of balance, the acceptance of impermanence, and the deep respect for nature and spiritual harmony. Their fragile beauty, born of sand and returned to sand, still whispers lessons of healing to all who see them.